Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to find Wi-Fi MAC address in Windows 10. Right-click Wi-Fi in taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Wi-Fi. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Simply mouse over there, USB adapter. Another method is used to find the MAC address is type CMD in Windows search bar. Click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.